Hey, chick.
Is that, can you see battery on?
Yep, battery's on.
Can you hear me?
No, can't hear. So I need
What about now?
Yep.
Check, check, check. Check, check, check. Test, test, test. Can you hear me? Check, 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 check. Test, test, test. Check, 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 check. Test, 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 test. Check, check. Can you hear me? Check, 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 check. Test, test, test. Check, 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 check. Test, 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 test. Check, check. Okay. You go on live, bro. You can just scroll around with your cam. Tēnā tātou. Ko ka hui tata te maunga, ko manga tote te awa, ko te aitanga mate me te whānau a te aoera. E tahi o ngā hapu o konei, nau mai hara mai ki tēnei whakapāho kia koutou. Nā mihi ki ngā mate huko o te wā, ngā mate haere atu rā te hono tātou, hono rātou kia rātou. Ap te hono tātou, hono tātou te hungora kia tātou anō. Kia ora whānau, welcome to today's coverage, about to get underway. We'll bring you up to date with the teams as we get into it. We're about to get underway here very shortly in this NPEC, Enterprise Cars NPEC Women's Final. Referee Maddie Richards says time on. It's along the ground here and you can tell it's going to be a slippery game today. Muddy arm wrestle or mud wrestle out there. TVC with the ball just outside their 10-metre line. Working it forward here comes TVC. Down that sideline, up over the halfway goes, I think that's Moko. No, that's Kopa. Dana Kopa there. Play on, says the referee. Hikurangi come up with it. Over by their 22 on their far side of the field. It'll be a scrum there, knock on, says the referee. First scrum, ball in. It's at the back there, referee's playing. No, he says play on. As TVC send it out wide. Comes out to the fullback. They send it again. Referee says there's a forward pass in there. Brutal forward pass. Thankfully, that rain from last night is all done and dusted. Women's final. Unfortunately, out of my control. Doing my darndest to try and get it back up though, so bear with me as we probably going to have to take a break from the broadcast at the moment as Hikurangi into the outside their TVC 22, the ball's along the ground, Muddy out the back now to Beach. Beach sending it forward. Trying my hardest to get this sorted for our listeners and our viewers. Hopefully we're back out there. Hikurangi outside the 22 though. Penalty here. Trying my best, Whānau. We're just going to work and get the stream running if we can. Got limited coverage here and we've put up an internet dish, but somebody stood on the cord, pulled it out. So trying my hardest to get our internet stream back up and running. Maria, can you send me a message if that stream is back up please? I can't see it. Line out here for Hikurangi just outside TVC's 22. Comes back, it's Messi. Out to Green. Green gives it up to the number 12 there. That's Parata. Hikurangi taking it out to the middle of the field under advantage here. Let's see if Maria can send me a message via Messenger if that stream is back up and running please. Still playing advantage here just outside the 22. Ref still playing advantage here. It's there for Hikurangi. We've got issues here. Into the 22 though. Hikurangi are moving slowly. Still got possession. Up now to Haua Kahaki. They go again with Ngarimu this time. Good pass there to the number 6, that's Green. Hikurangi moving in closer now, 10 out from the line. Trying my hardest here, whānau, to get things up and running again. Out they go. Hiku on attack here, Shrew Beach will go in. Araki Beach will go around behind the post for the first try to Hikurangi Maidens. 5-0 with the kick to come. Hopefully we're back, whānau. So TVC lead 5-0 with the kick to come. Just trying to check our sound now, make sure we're still coming through. I think we are. Apologies, whānau, we are trying to get this stream up and running after someone pulled out the internet cable. Ka pai them. Don't blame me. Just waiting for the conversion attempt here from Charlie Hauakahaki. Flags go up. 7-0. Hikurangi lead after 10 minutes. Big mihi to our sponsors too, of course. Te Reo Nanganui o Ngāti Porou, kindly bringing you this game. Of course, we've got lucky, thankfully, to the help of Blackbee Contractors Limited. We've got the use of their transportable platform to film off today. So just about to get back underway. Hopefully our sound is back up. As TVC get back ready to get us underway again. Nice pick up there by Cook. She brings it forward. Hopefully we're back up, just trying to get the sound on.
Someone needs to carry.
Hopefully, I'm just waiting for a message, see if we can, if we're being picked up. I know we're going through the radio because I've got my phone on. Apologies, whānau. We were all set to go, and then, as I said, somebody's gone in and stepped on the internet cable, pulled it out of the dish. So we've had to do some scrambling. But is that on your phone, Kelly?
Yeah.
It's TVC through Waititi. She gives it back to Mulaney. Mulaney working it up now. TVC, a big tackle there. Referee says play on.
Yep, all good.
That was on Grant. They go back out open. Out to Vaka. Vaka, hands. TVC just outside Hikurangi's 10-metre line now. Working it forward. They come back to Vaka. Vaka takes it down midway 10-metre 22. Out now to Waititi. Numbers here. They spin it wide out to Grant. Grant to Teddy. Teddy loses the ball here. Referee's got a penalty there, playing advantage. Comes back for the penalty. Roughly midway 10-metre 22. I'm going to try and sort out our sound here as we get you back up to speed.
FB is on par.
Hopefully we all go. As picked up nicely there by number 14 for Hikurangi.
Nice,
That's Karma Rickard. Working it forward now. Hikurangi still in position here, right near the sideline. That's Collins in at halfback. Real mud wrestle going on here. Hikurangi working it back towards their own 10-metre line now. Narimu with a hit up. Ball is lost, gone backwards, says the referee. Break here from Hikurangi. She's a real mess out there as Rickard comes up with it. Sorry, that's Green. No, Collins. Collins is the halfback. Little knock on there, says the referee. Hopefully we'll all go again now. As long as nobody goes over there and stands on my internet cable, we should be right. So we've got a scrum down here. Just trying to turn my volume down on my phone so that I can't hear myself coming back at me. Hopefully we're all good, whānau. Apologies. It's taken us a little while to get sorted. Now I'm being told I'm too loud. Turn your volume down. Hopefully we've sorted it. It's out the back here. Referee's got a penalty to Hikurangi, to TVC though. Hopefully our sound issues are getting sorted. Just waiting for the thumbs up as TVC go quickly. Numbers here for TVC. They got Waititi here. Oh, they just lose it forward. Referee will say advantage here for Hikurangi. As number 14, that's Rickard, brings it forward again. Counter ruck here from TVC. It's there for Collins again. Gives it up to Parata. Back to Collins. Rickard, oh no, sorry, that's Beach. Ball spills out the back. Play on, says the referee, as Manuel gets in there. Parata hitting it up back towards the halfway now. That's Green, Collins in there looking for the ball again. Out to Heaney in the midfield. Gets the tackler and the ball at the same time. They go forward off Kinsey Cook this time. Just shy of the halfway. Hoa Kahaki getting over the top of the ball. Throws the dummy and goes herself. Hopefully we're back to normal on our streams and everything, whānau, as Hikurangi send it down the middle of the park. Little knock on in there. Play on, says the referee. Advantage being played here. Play on. There's still advantage here to Hikurangi. Might have been a double knock on. It's a high shot in there from one of the TVC players. So quick tap taken here from Green. They go back infield. Hikurangi still in control. The ball's being turned over. A little knock on from TVC, says the referee. They'll come back for a Hikurangi scrum feed right out in the middle of the park here. Just outside, or just inside the 22, around the 22 area. Where's our sponsor logo gone? Bye, Jingos. Alright, I've got one. Excuse me, whānau. Just looking for our sponsors logo. And it's disappeared on me. I'll put the other one in there for the runanga. As Hikurangi go down the sideline into attack here. Oh, wee. Now we're sorted, I think. Got all my sponsors back up there again. Penalty here to Hikurangi. 5 metres out from the line. They're going to tap and go here. Up to Parata. Parata working it forward. She gets driven backwards though. They've still got possession here. Another attack from Hikurangi. It's there for Collins. They have a go from the base of the ruck. Referee playing advantage here. Hikurangi on attack here. The ball spills out. Referee is still playing advantage. Penalty advantage here. It's coming up to 20 minutes gone, and this coverage kindly brought to you by Te Runanga Nui o Ngāti Porou. They're going to tap it. They go quickly through Kahaki. That's Haua Kahaki, I should say. It's that little knock on, says the referee. It'll be a scrum, TVC ball. Five-metre scrum here. Defensive scrum feed for TVC. Just ticked over 20 minutes in this first half. It's a waste, unless you put a battery on it. These electric fence. Referee's got another penalty. Referee's got another penalty though. Another high. Might have been a bit high. Touch here, cross on that far side. There was a try scored there, sorry whānau, and a conversion from Haua Kahaki, 14 points to 0 lead. Just trying to make sure our stream is coming back onto the internet. I've got limited coverage here, so it's very hard to see if things are working as they should. But a try there to Hikurangi to extend their lead 14 points to 0. I've done a bit of securing over there at the internet, so hopefully we do not have that issue again. Maria, if you're listening, you can give me a thumbs up if that live stream is back working, please. It's picked up here by Heaney. It's gone 10. Oh, good unload here. It's Hikurangi. They go backwards now. They're coming forwards. Working it up towards the halfway over their 10-metre line. Heaney. Quick defence there from TVC through Waititi, I think it was. It's kicked downtown. Teddy is back there. Teddy shows the pass. It's gone forward though. It'll be a scrum feed. Hikurangi ball. This one just inside Hikurangi territory. Can't see the halfway line here. It's gone out the back to Green. She sends it downfield. Teddy racing back there to pick it up for TVC. Puts the foot to it, the boot to it, I should say. Gets a good bounce. Finds touch right back by Hikurangi's 10-metre line. Oh, there's a penalty though. Penalty to TVC. Back up by TVC's 10-metre line. We apologise for the issues we've been having. It's like someone stood on the internet cable again. Managed to go over there and do a bit of securing this time, so hopefully we won't have that issue again. Maybe a little bit of drop going on. Unfortunately, I cannot see. Oh, nice high take there in the line out from TVC. Oh, the pass has gone forward off TVC though into the hands of a Hiku player. Hiku on attack just outside the 22. Nice hands there from Parata, I think it was, but she lost the ball in the tackle. Waititi comes up with it. TVC looking to run this out of their 22. Now they put the kick to it. Referee will say no advantage. He'll come back for a... He'll come back for advantage here for TVC. There was a little knock on in there. $14-0 if you just joined us on Te Reo Wirirangi o Ngāti Pro. 29 minutes gone. We'll try and sort it out at half time, whānau. As TVC come off the back of the scrum. Through Kopa. They get the pass away. Waititi waiting for it. Defence is up quickly on it. It's there for TVC though. Mulaney having a look at the ball. At the option, she goes back. They put it down the middle of the park. Referee's got a penalty here though. No advantage. It'll be TVC penalty right in front of their post. We're going to stop the live stream at halftime, whānau, and re-kick it off. See if we can sort this out. Apologise. Unfortunately, somebody's gone and stood on their cable, and we just have to do what we can do. Ranapia up the middle from TVC from their quick tap. Mulaney having a look at her options now. She gives it up to Vaka. Vaka takes a few to stop her. Takes it down midway 10-metre 22. Mulaney comes back to Ranapia. Ranapia passes it off. I think that was Rangihuna. TVC working it up towards their 10-metre line. Slow and steady. They come again. TVC still got possession. They go out wide. Little knock on. They'll come back for the scrum. There's a little knock on out there. Hikurangi lead 14-0. About 7 or 8 minutes to go till half time. We're going to restart our stream at half time, whānau. See if we can sort this lag out for you. Scrum down, midway 10-metre 22 in TVC territory. Oh, beautiful pass, hands out the back here to Parata. Parata takes it down, couple out from the 22, TVC 22. Pick and go here from Manuel. That's Ryan Manuel. Hikurangi working it up towards TVC 22. In the middle of the park, they go back to Cook. She sets it up. Collins looking for the ball. They come out to Green. Green puts a little chip over the top. No one at the back there. That's the left wing. Moko having to run back. Crimson Moko throws the pass. Yep. Carried back No, penalty here to TVC. They tap it and go quickly. They go back. Referee says, come back and have it on the mark. Shirley Mullaney will kick this into touch. Just. It'll be a TVC line out throw to come. Getting harder to pick out the teams here as the old mud starts to take over the colours on the uniform. TVC line out throw. There's some subs happening, is it? Looks like Kat Ngarimu replacing Ryan Manuel. Go back to the line out here. It's tapped down on the TVC side. Mullaney, they spin it wide. They put the boot to it now. Winger there for Hikurangi back there. I think that was Harrison. Referee's got a penalty here to TVC. They'll go quickly. They tap and go. Looking to try and catch them offside. Referee's playing advantage here. Another penalty coming. Offside against Hikurangi. Not back 10. Mullaney will look for touch, I think. That's 6. No, they're going to tap and go. She gives it up to Ranapia again. Ranapia with another strong run. Over the halfway now. Mullaney looking for the ball. She gives it up to Vaka. Vaka does well to pick that up. Amelia Vaka dragging a few with it. They keep coming out to this near side. Oh, good hands, good skill there. Up to the number 6, that's Wilson. Over the 10-metre line in Hiku territory now. TVC still with the pill. They go back open to Waititi. Waititi slips the first tackle. That's Marnie Waititi. Referee's playing advantage here to TVC. They go again through Ranapia. Ranapia, she's been running strong up the middle all game. They come out open. They've got numbers here. Oh, little knock on. Referee's playing advantage though. Offside against Hikurangi. They go quickly through Grant. Alize Grant slips. They set it up in the midfield here. TVC still with the pill. They come out again. Out to Wilson. Wilson. Little knock on, is it? No, it's gone out. That's half time, says the referee. That's half time here at Kahui Tarafana. We're going to cross back to the studio. Maria will play some songs while we try and sort out our live feed. We'll be back with you very shortly.